The Golden Gate Bridge, one of the most famous landmarks in the United States, spans the Golden Gate Strait, a 1.6 kilometers 1 mile wide channel between San Francisco Bay and the Pacific Ocean. It connects the city of San Francisco to Marin County in California. Early ideas and planning. In the early 20th century, San Francisco was growing rapidly, and ferryboats were the only way to cross the Golden Gate Strait. Many people suggested building a bridge to connect the two sides, but the idea faced criticism. Engineers doubted that it was possible to build a bridge in such deep, turbulent waters with strong tides, frequent fog, and the risk of earthquakes. In 1916, James Wilkins, a former engineering student, proposed the idea in the San Francisco Bulletin. Later, Joseph Strauss, an ambitious bridge engineer from Chicago, became the key figure to make it possible. Initially, Strauss proposed a massive cantilever suspension hybrid bridge, but the design was considered unattractive. Over time, with input from other engineers and architects, the design evolved into the elegant suspension bridge we see today. Design and funding. The final design was developed by a team including Joseph Strauss, chief engineer; Leon Moisseiff, consulting engineer, suspension bridge expert; Irving Morrow, architect who chose the bridge's famous international orange color; Charles Alton Ellis, structural engineer who did most of the complex calculations. Funding the bridge was another challenge. During the Great Depression, local voters approved a bond measure, and the Bank of America, led by founder A.P. Giannini, agreed to finance the project. Construction, 1933 to 1937. Construction began on January 5, 1933. Workers faced dangerous conditions, strong winds, thick fog, and working high above the water. A safety net was installed under the bridge to protect workers, saving the lives of 19 men who later called themselves the Halfway to Hell Club. Unfortunately, 11 workers died during construction. Despite these risks, the project moved ahead of schedule. Completion and opening. The bridge was completed in April 1937, ahead of time and under budget. It officially opened to pedestrians on May 27, 1937, when about 200,000 people walked across before it opened to vehicles the next day. Key facts. Total length, 2,737 meters, 8,981 feet. Main span, 1,280 meters, 4,200 feet, the longest in the world at the time. Tower's height, 227 meters, 746 feet, above the water. Color, international orange, chosen for visibility in fog and aesthetic beauty. Legacy. The Golden Gate Bridge quickly became an icon of American engineering and design. It remains one of the most photographed bridges in the world and a symbol of San Francisco's spirit of innovation.